Hey, it's Aran here. Welcome to a training video in the affiliate startup community where I'm going to show you over the shoulder setting up an affiliate marketing funnel. Now, the way this works is you want to build your own list, and as part of building your own list, you're going to offer some sort of a lead magnet, something for free. Then you're going to create a page, a thank you page that somebody is going to get some information. You're going to channel them to your affiliate link, which is what I'm going to do. Now, I want to show you quickly visually what the funnel that I'll be building is going to look like. So let me share my screen and show you on Canva how to map it out. And then I'll actually build it out while you're watching with me. So this is Canva, and I'm going to go to whiteboard. Now, in the whiteboard, I will basically map it out. Usually I like to do it on pen and paper as well, but just to give you a bit of demonstration so you can visually see how this flows, I will do it right here. So first of all, let's add, this is going to be the landing page. And then we're going to have a thank you page, which is going to, it's also known as a bridge page in the affiliate marketing funnel. Now let's give this a title so you can clearly see what I'm doing. Affiliate marketing funnel. Now, what I'm going to send people to is I'm going to send people to two different places actually. I'm going to send them to System.io free trial. And also, I'm going to send them to, let me just duplicate this. I'm also going to send them to my dct.com Troops Plus tech membership, which is the other option. Which, by the way, if you were to set up a funnel like that, you can actually send people to both places. And these are both going to be an affiliate funnel for you because both of these will be an affiliate product, right? None of these are your product. These are my product and System.io product, which is this one. So you can actually set up this type of a funnel and be able to connect the pieces. So now in the landing page, we're going to ask people for their name, their email, and then here we're going to have a video offering membership plus membership free trial membership affiliate. Not in my case because this is my product, but this is what you would do. Now, in here, notice this is a very important piece. We're going to grab an envelope. The reason we're doing an envelope is because you are going to build your email list as part of this. So, make this a bit smaller. Perfect. Okay, so you've got the email sequence. Now, in terms of arrows and how all that flows, basically what's going to happen is that somebody is going to enter the name and email here. Their email is going to be, they're going to be sent an email in here through to an email sequence, but they will also be taken to a thank you page at the same time. On the thank you page, there will be two buttons, one for either a free trial or to the membership. So if they don't know System.io, they're not a customer, they will go here. If they're already a customer, then they're going to go here. That's what you're going to tell them. That's what I'm going to tell them in the video. Now, this is your email list, okay? This is very, very important. This is your email list now, okay? So you don't have to promote just those things. You can promote other things as well. I'm just showing you how to set up a funnel. You can choose to promote totally different products. And you can go to the affiliate marketing, the affiliate startup community blog to see example of all the blogs that I have in place for all sorts of products that could be used. Okay, so now that's how that particular funnel is going to work. Now, in terms of this flow, there is one other critical piece, which is a lead magnet. Now, the lead magnet is already created, and that lead magnet is called a sales funnel glossary, which I will show you what that looks like in a moment. But that is what's going to be sent in that first email. That first email has to contain this particular item, okay? So you have to include that in the first email because that's the promise of what the landing page is. So the landing page is going to say free download sales funnel glossary, okay? Basically. Okay, so that's why this is an important piece to also share. Bridge page, we'll have a video already recorded, and then we've got the membership and stuff like that. So let's now that I've shown you visually what we're building out, now let's go and actually build it. So the sales funnel glossary is already done. This is the Google Doc. You can see I've already worked on it. It's actually ready to go and stuff like that. Now, what we're going to do is this is the actual final glossary that we're going to link in the email, and it's already ready to go. And in here, there is a bunch of links and stuff like that. Now, if you were to do something similar, you would want to make sure that the links inside the lead magnet are your affiliate links as well. So that's another point to make a note. So for example, this is an affiliate link. This is an affiliate link. This is my another lead magnet. These are different courses that I have. So some of the links here are my own products. Some of them are actually affiliate links. That's totally fine. So that's an important piece as well to be aware of. Now, as part of this, we're going to now share this in an email. Now, we're not going to do it right away because we have to first of all create the landing page. So let me go to System.io and we're going to click on create. Now in here, we're going to create sales funnel glossary, and that's what we're going to call this. The domain name, in my case, I'm going to call this affiliate startup community. I might change my mind. Anyway, for now, we're just going to click on, actually, I'm going to go to custom. I like to do it from blank. US dollar currency, that's correct. And I'm going to click into it. Now you'll see that this is blank. So I'm going to click on add step, opt-in, squeeze page. Just going to pick one, doesn't really matter because I usually start from scratch anyway. Then I'm going to click on add step, and this is going to be thanks, funnel glossary. And then I'm going to pick opt-in thank you. Click on save. Just going to click this one just for demonstration purposes. Now, here's a couple of points I'm going to do, which is kind of important to note. I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to upload the video because the video is going to take some time to upload. So I don't want to have to waste time waiting for it to upload. So I'm just going to upload it separately. Now, notice that I always use Popups, and that's just because that's my font. So I'm going to label this thank you page, and then we're going to drag a video in. We're going to click into it. We're going to click down here, click on upload file, click on this icon, click on select file, and then I'm going to go click on this one, bridge page sales video for sales funnel glossary. There's going to be another video somewhere around here where I did a dedicated video just to show you how to record a sales video, bridge page video, and that's going to be separate. So I don't want to waste time doing that right now. Just like I'm not showing you how to set up, create a lead magnet in this video, I'm not showing you how to record a video, but those are going to have other videos that I'm going to teach you how to do. So now that that's being done, I'm going to go to the squeeze page. Now on the squeeze page, there's a few things. First of all, on the automation rule, you want to click on funnel step subscribe. You want to click into it. You want to add an action. You want to click on send the email. Now, here's an important point. You would do send email if you only want to send one email in once somebody downloads. In some cases, you may want to have a series of emails. In my particular case, I'm only going to do one email for right now. I may decide to do a sequence, but for right now, I'm just going to do one individual email. If I wanted to do a sequence, I will do a separate tutorial, and it will be done under campaigns right here. So now, when I click on send email, I'm going to click on the plus button, and I'm going to call, say, your glossary. I'm going to put a little thing here as well, where I'm going to ask them a question. Hey there, substitute variable. I'm going to click on first name. So this will actually say their name. So if my name is Eran and I subscribe, it will say Eran. If your name is Joe, it will say, hey Joe. That's what this is. So now I'm going to now grab this glossary, paste this here. And thanks so much for requesting the sales funnel glossary. I have linked it below. Would love for you to check it out and let me know what you think. I have a quick survey for you about this after you finish reading. Basically, I have been asked on numerous, I don't want to use the word numerous, on several occasions if I let people use my digital products and be able to sell or give away these as their own. This is extremely rare, and this is not something I want to do much of. However, in the case of the glossary, I was genuinely thinking to give you the opportunity to take the glossary that I just shared with you, give it to you, let you add your own story at the top, give you the option to customize all the links inside the glossary, and choose your own call to action. On top of that, I was considering including the landing page you came from, thank you page you saw, and all that stuff. Basically, the idea is to save you time when creating your own list building funnel like the one you are experiencing right now. I was simply curious Would that be something you would be interested in having for your own use? If so, this will not be free. Curious to know, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you be interested in something like that if I was to offer it? Okay, now the reason this is good is because you just want to build relationships, right? This is just me being a human, asking them a question, and that's it, right? Please do me a favor and reply to let me know. I personally read all my emails and I genuinely want to know. I should invest time or energy on creating this. Okay, so that's that. Now, in case they don't know me, I'm going to do a PS, and that is something that I have set up. It's an automation that I have set up already, where I just have this little nice snippet, just in case we haven't met. It's a cool little, I do not have high ticket, all my things original. Let's link my DCT Plus as well. Okay, cool. That's that. Let's make this all bigger, font 20, and that's it. All right, I'm gonna click on save. It's good. Save rule. I'm gonna go to tags. Under tags, I'm going to add a tag on glossary. Yeah, sales funnel glossary lead. And I'm gonna go back to funnels. I'm gonna click on the rule. I'm gonna click on add action, add a tag, click on the tag, glossary. There you go, add a lead, perfect. Okay, so that's how the automations will be done. Now, we're gonna go and create the actual page. Let's click on edit page. I'm gonna delete literally everything that's here because I don't care about any of that. I've got my own templates and all that stuff, so I'll show you what I have. Okay, so first of all, let's go to blocks. While it's loading, we're gonna go to Canva again. See, we've got this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to copy this. I'm gonna open a new one. I'm gonna paste it here, make this white, like that. I'm going to group these. I'm gonna make this bigger, like so. Okay, now I'm going to download this as a GIF with transparent background. Yeah, and I'm only going to do page 4. Done. Download. Now I might want to do it a little bit smaller. It's a bit too big. Let me just do it as a smaller GIF. So it's going to affect the load page. Let's download that again. So this is going to be too big. I'm going to wait for this small one to come through. Now, while we're here, we're going to go to my blocks and I'm going to, okay, the Canva thing is ready. We're going to call this sales funnel glossary GIF, a laptop GIF. This is basically a promotional piece that I've already created for Facebook because I've already started promoting this. Let me just show you how this works also. When you're on Facebook, basically what I did is, this is just a little bit of a side piece on how I promoted it. So you see here, I've gotten this little video made, downloaded as a video, and said, comment funnel if you want to copy. And then I had a bunch of people, 27 people, who already commented saying they want it. I did it 4 days ago. I didn't even reply to any of them. I need to do that. That's why I'm creating the landing page as well. This is a way to build a list. Some of these are already on my list anyway, but it doesn't matter. Some of them will not be. So then I'll reply to each, basically. This is the thank you video that I had earlier, so I will leave that here for a second. Now in here, I've got a few things. So there is, if I search for the word opt-in, it's probably going to be a bunch of things that I've already created in the past, like this one and this one. And yeah, it's good enough. And then I've got bullets somewhere as well. Yeah, there you go, like that. Okay, and then also I'm going to search for the word footer because I already have footer like so. So my footer is already included. Now I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to click on pop-ins. That's my font. Now you will notice that I need to now customize this text. Now this image, I'm going to replace it with the GIF I just downloaded. Click on select file. You will see under downloads this thing. Click here. I'm going to make it bigger. Now you see the quality is absolutely not very good. So we're going to try this again and we're going to download it in way better quality. So we're going to do GIF. We're going to do only page 4 and we will do it maybe this much. Okay, now it's going to download. While it does that, we're going to now come up with some sort of a title. Now you'll notice that my Facebook post already has some info. So I'm going to First of all, take this text because maybe this text is actually decent and I might be able to use it. So let's just put it here just to see maybe it will be good enough. So let's just copy and paste it in. So I could say, what the heck is a, do something like that. Canva is ready. Sales funnel, glossary, laptop, GIF. Yes, replace. Now we're gonna go back to the image. Look here, click on select, click on enter. Here it is. I can delete this one because it was too small. Well, I'll leave it in case I want to use it. This is the big one. So this is much better. Okay, much better. Okay, what the heck is a sales funnel? Let's just delete all this. Okay, let's change this text to black. Let's make this a bit bigger. Let's change this to, let's get the right text. To the next step. 10, 10. I'm doing the rounded corners basically. Make this pop-ins and make it dark. Yeah. And we're gonna say download the glossary. First name, email, here's what you get. Okay, let's have a look what this looks like. Yeah, that's cool. Now, why this is not centered, I'm not sure. So let's center it. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. Okay, a couple of points that need to be fixed. You'll notice it says opt-in here. Sales funnel gloss. This is the SEO. Now we're gonna need an image as well. So now the image, we're gonna go to Canva. Just gonna get this. I'm just gonna use this one. Let's download this. See, I've got good text here. I didn't even think about using this, but I'll use it now. So we'll download this as a JPEG, H3. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. So we're gonna go back to settings, scroll down, click on the image, click on select file. I'm gonna click on this image, like so. Okay. And this is a view content. This is a Facebook marketing strategy. And I think that's pretty much it. So we're gonna leave it like that. Let's see how this looks. You'll see that this will change to sales funnel glossary. Yeah, that looks much better, eh? I like that. Okay, now we're gonna exit, save changes. This opt-in is fully done. I'm gonna change the name. I don't want it to be the affiliate startup community. We will do call this .com truths, actually. Yeah, we'll do it this way. I also have a course called Sales Funnel Workshops, but it's only included in my membership. Okay, I will leave it like that. Now let's go to the thank you page. Remember that thank you page we did, this one? So we're going to now make this a little bit smaller. It's not so big. We're also going to add a background image. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, that's cool. We're gonna make this margins at 40, so it's a bit smaller. Let's click here, click on your videos. It's the latest video. Now it can do a couple of points. First of all, it can be that it autoplays. There's no problem with that. And also, I don't mind that the controls are visible so people can see how long it's going to be. I don't mind that at all. Now, if you were to click here, you will see how the video looks quickly. That's what it will look. Totally fine. I like that. Now, I don't want to make this super complicated. So the way this is going to work is we're going to have now two buttons below. Button number one is going to be the membership. Button number two will be System.io onboarding, free account creation. So I'm going to click here, button. You'll notice I have kind of my buttons the way I like them. I'm going to duplicate that, put this here as well, open URL. And this URL is going to be my onboarding. Open in a new window. And this one will be the tech support membership. Okay, so that's that. Let's see if we can make this a bit smaller. 22, 12. 22, 12. Okay. Now, on this row, this will be visible, not straight away. We're going to make this visible after 60 seconds. And because this is important for me personally, is I always include Confetti because that's my software. So I will also go to confettipage.com. The domain name that I chose for this is, it's not this one, it's workshop, right? So I'm going to go to Confetti here, click on my confettis. I'll just show you the process on the beginning. Create new confetti, paste the URL, choose the confetti colors. Surprise me. Yeah, I like that. Let's go with this one. And add a blue as well. And add a gray. And let's make this color more branded. There you go. Awesome. Okay, now we're gonna click on, let's make this more red. Choose animation. Sprinkles. This doesn't matter because it's my company anyway. Click on this, set this, reveal the code, copy the code, go back to system, go back to the thank you page. Oh, oops. Go back to this, paste it here, click on save. And now have a look on the thank you page, what's gonna do. Somebody arrives on the thank you page and a little confetti is gonna pop up. Okay, so that's that. That's the thank you page, pretty straightforward. Now let's have a look at mobile. Yeah, that's good, it's fine. No worries at all. Let's exit, go back to the opt-in. Let's have a look on the mobile. See if the mobile looks good as well. What the heck is a sales funnel? That's good. Should be one page. Beginner friendly. Let's make it 3 sentences. This image, all good. Free download. What you get? Let's make this spaced out. Let's make this spaced out. Yep, that's all. That's good. One last thing is you do want to have an exit pop-up. So I'm going to delete what's here and I'm going to click on my blocks. Exit pop-up is when they actually try to leave. So you're gonna set up a little automation that if they try to leave, you're gonna try and capture the email before they go. My blocks, switch the word exit. There you go. I'm just gonna say don't leave empty-handed, that's it. To the next step. Just your email, that's simple, nothing fancy. Background color, it can be red, but maybe a little bit lighter, like so. Really simple. And make it so it opens on exit intent. Yeah, that's it. Empty-handed. Cool. All right, that's that. Let's go to settings on this. This is going to be a lead because somebody's already subscribed. Click on save. Now you'll notice if I refresh this, you're not going to see the buttons below. It will just be start the video, and only in 60 seconds the actual buttons will appear. So I'm not going to have you wait to see it, but that's what's going to happen. Okay. So that's that. Opt-in page. Thank you page. Done. So we're going to call this sales funnel glossary. Now we're going to change the URL. This one, we're going to call this sales funnel glossary things. Now you'll notice in the marketing that I said around.link/sales funnel. So if you go to around.link/sales funnel, you will notice it's going nowhere right now, right? So how to fix that? We're going to go to Switchy. We're going to grab this funnel. We're going to go to opt-in, click on this right here, go to Switchy, click here, switch it, add the pixel. That's how I do it. And I'm going to call sales funnel like so. Yeah. And you'll see that everything is going to appear right here, right? Which is great. I'm going to upload a new picture as well, just to make it a little bit better. Yeah, that looks great. Okay, let's get my link. Now this link is all done. I can go to incognito. A beginner-friendly, easy-to-understand glossary with practical examples and tutorials that any beginner can finally understand. Free download, enter your name and email just to receive the glossary right away. Enter first name, enter your email, download the glossary. Here's what you get to this glossary. Okay, and if I click here, nothing will happen. If I try to leave, this will pop up. So I'm going to now test, enter the email. Take me to the thank you page. Congrats. Perfect, that's all working. Now we're gonna go to my Gmail, and Eran Bukai, your glossary is here. Hey there, Test. Thank you so much for requesting glossary. I've linked it below. Click for the glossary. I'd love for you to check it out. Let me know what you think. Have a quick survey after you finish reading. Click on the glossary and it will open as well. Now, here's the thing. Everything is automated. I've done this one time. It's taken me however long to do it. And here we are with a complete sales funnel ready to go, ready to share. I can grab this link, my personal profile, and I can go here and I'll say, here you go. Paste this here, copy this whole thing. Here you go. He's a member, so I'm not going to give this to him. So I enter each one of these, and that's how you get traffic. You're going to get people who are going to subscribe to your list. And yeah, it's a little bit tedious, but think about it. This probably takes a minute to do, but I'll get a few new email subscribers from that. And what am I doing? I'm sending them to my sales funnel, right? That's the whole point, right? So anyway, you get the idea. I'll answer a few more of these as well. Now you'll also notice that on these names and these subscribers or these potential subscribers, those people are interested, when they comment and then I comment, it's going to help the algorithm to be able to get this pushed out to even more people. So soon I'm going to start seeing notifications from people who are continuing to comment saying, yep, I want the funnel, I want the funnel, I want the funnel. Now, you might be wondering, is there going to be a limit with Facebook? Are they going to block me, whatever? To be honest, it is really rare for Facebook to block me. Even sometimes, like there's been probably 2, 3 times I've gone viral, well, semi-viral in a Facebook group, and there was like over 500 comments. And that's the only time that I kind of got blocked. And I was like, Facebook is like, don't, like you cannot continue to comment anymore. You have to wait a few hours or something. But that's honestly happened 2, 3 times. I wouldn't worry about it. Okay, I've now replied to every single comment, and I'm going to click on X. I'm going to refresh. Now you see there's 54 comments, because obviously some comments are mine. And that's good. All right, so that's that. And that's pretty much it. So we've set up an entire affiliate funnel from A to Z. Now, if you want to get a copy of this funnel, everything I've just created, to be able to import everything straight into your account, that is going to be available as a digital product, as a paid digital product. So depending on when you're watching, where you're watching this video, maybe it's on my YouTube channel, maybe it's in the Facebook group, just know that there is that option available. If you're not sure where it is, you're not seeing, just leave a comment or send me an email around bukai@gmail.com and I will send you the info. Otherwise, it should be linked somewhere below or somewhere around here where you'll be able to actually be able to download this funnel and implement it yourself. Now, when you do download it, chances are I'm actually going to have a campaign added as well. So you'll notice that here I only added one email, and that's fine. That's because that's how I have my funnel set up. But if this is your first affiliate funnel, this is your first list builder, then you definitely want to have a campaign where it's a little bit more comprehensive. So that's about it. Hope you guys value this training. I'll see you all soon. Cheers.